What's up guys, they call me Kijana wa Onsongo and you're hanging out with Joy from Nairobi TV.
Joy from Nairobi TV.
Tuko hapa ndani ya Nairobi TV. Na niko hapa na Joy mwenyewe guys. Subscribe to this amazing channel.
Ona thengia wa kuhuthio, kunyururio, kurumwo gwa kahinda karaya, riu mubangi wa magongona niwe Charity Waruinu nionete mundu wa kumunyita guoko na kumutwara ikinya riu ringi. Mubunge wa kuria mwena wa Mathira niwe Eric wa Mobi nieranĩire na kuga ati ni ukorwo akiheithia Waruinu wira kuria ofici-ini ya munini wa president nigetha agikorwo agibanga protocols cia munini wa president kuona niendete wira ucio muno na niakoretwo agirumwo muno guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria akorwo akinyururio na njira nene na rimwe Charity Waruinu akoragwo akiruta wira ucio wi free of charge no Akenya magagikorwo matekuvario kiria aragikorwo agika na amwe makamwira ati ngina ekiherehere muno no matiragikorwo makiona haria arakorwo agiteithiriria. Riu Eric wa Mobi nierutĩire na agagikorwo akiuga ni gukorwo akiaraniria na MP wa kuria Gatundu North niwe Elijah Kururia magikorwo magibanga na uria megugikorwo makinyitirira Charity Waruinu kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria andikite na kuga Charity Waruinu, the real meaning of kujituma. I always see her in functions, walking up and down, arranging chairs, giving water, directing people where to sit. Yani, she does everything. In many occasions, she volunteers herself with no pay, and in the evening, she goes home happy, having done the job with a clean heart. We must give this one her flowers when she can enjoy them. Someone sent me her number. Elijah Njororege Kururia, tupatane nyuma ya hema. Iyo niyo ndumiriri ya Eric wa Mobi na uria ni mubunge wa kuria Mathira akiuga ati Charity Waruinu agiriire akorwo akiheo mahua make muoyo kuona andu aingi ni makoragwo matekuona value ya Waruinu magongona-ini na kuona muno agikoragwo akiruta wira ucio wi ta free of charge kana gukirutira. Agathi na mbere na kuga Charity Waruinu, your God has come. Congratulations my sister. I don't know you. I don't know where you come from. I just noticed your energy, commitment and hard work. Congratulations. You will be now working in the office of the Deputy President in the protocol department, exactly what you like. Tupatane Tuesday. Iyo niyo ndumiriri ya Eric wa Mobi akimwira ati arikoragwo akiruta wira kuria ofici-ini ya munini wa president gubanga protocols cia Deputy President kuona Waruinu ni akiendete wira ucio muno na niho egugikorwo akiheo wira ucio. Riu Akenya ni makenereire undu ucio na njira nene na magikorwo kira Charity Waruinu big congratulations. Ona ithuĩ gũkũ gwa Gathoni TV tutiratigwo na thutha, turagikorwo tugikwendithĩria ukorwo na hinya muingi, ugima mwega wa mwiri ugithi kuruta wira ucio na Ngai wa muoyo atũre akũrathimĩte agagikorwo agĩkũrangira na urokorwo na mahinda mega. Onawe mwiroreri wakwa korwo na mahinda mega. Bye.